Sunday morning feels so bright. Grab your phone or tablet tight. Virtual market out of sight. Vendors bringing pure delight. Fresh produce from every land. Veggies grown with tender hands. Artisanal goods in demand. Grooving to a virtual band. SDLA is the place to be. Market magic you gotta see. From your couch or on the go, everything you need to grow. Local flavors melt your soul. Spices, scents now take control. Dancing screens and hearts are whole. Supporting dreams is our goal. Wanna join this vendor crew? Set your shop and welcome to virtual markets calling you. Every Sunday skies are blue. SDLA is the place to be. Market magic you gotta see. From your couch or on the go, everything you need to grow. Local flavors melt your soul. Spices, scents now take control. Dancing screens and hearts are whole. Supporting dreams is our goal. SDLA is the place to be. Market magic you gotta see. From your